Hello viewers, welcome to my channel SPC Tech Point. I'm back with a new topic in C, that is unions. Now let's get into the video. But before getting into the video, first you need to like, share, subscribe by hitting the bell icon. I'm Jyothi. Let's get into the video. Unions. A union is a collection of variables of different types, just like a structure. And a union can also be viewed as a variable type that can contain many different variables but actually hold only one of them at a time. This can save memory if we have a group of data where only one type is used at a time. Unions, like structures, contain members whose individual data types may differ from one another. The members of union all share the same storage area within the computer's memory, whereas each member within a structure is assigned its own unique storage area. Now let's see the union declaration. Like structures, unions can be declared using the keyword union, and in the syntax you can see here the keyword union is used, and here the tag is the name of the union created, and this is the block of the union where the members of the union are declared, and the number of members is not restricted here. So whatever the requirement of the union is there, that many members can be declared here. And once the structure is closed, after that you can see the tag 1, tag 2, so on. You can create as the union variable members. Now let's see how to access the union members. While accessing union, we can have access to a single data member at a time using the dot operator. In order to access the member of the union is with the printf and scanf statement to get or set value from the union memory location. Now let's see the similarities between the structures and unions. The only operators valid for use with entire structures and unions are the simple assignment and size of operator. Their members can be objects of any type, including other structures and unions or arrays. A member can also consist of a bit field. A structure passed by value to functions and returned by value. Program is starting here. Then in the main program you can find the union keyword and followed by the name of a union which is given as student. The block of the union is this, and within this block you can find student number, grade and average with the different data types. And student number is of type integer, and grade is of type character, and average is of type float. Here S is the union variable of type student, and following which clear screen function is used to clear the screen for the output. And in the printf function, a statement is displayed to enter the student number. With scanf function, the student number value is entered, and here the address operator is used to store the student number value in the address of the student number. And the next printf is used to print the student number which is already entered in the previous scanf function. Similarly, the next printf function is used to enter a statement with the student grade, and following which we can find the scanf function to enter the value as the input for the grade, student grade. The next printf function is used to now print the student grade, which is just given as an input value with the previous scanf function. Now in this printf function, student average should be entered. So with the scanf function, the average of the student can be given as the input. So once that input is given through the scanf function, then the following printf function will display the same value for the student average in this format. So here this is the final value of the main program. Now let's see the output of this program. So as we have seen in the first printf function, enter the student number. So the same thing is displayed here. And once with the scanf function, if any value just like this 1 or 2 is entered student number, the following printf function displays the student number as 1 or 2. Then in the second part, where the student grade is entered, following the statement of enter the student grade, where the grade is given as the input value as P. So the same thing, after taking it as the input, the following printf function is going to display that the student grade is P, which it takes from the previous scanf function. And finally the student average. So a printf statement where to enter the student average will be displayed here, following which the scanf function is going to take the input value for the average, which is a float type, and finally after taking through the scanf function, the student average is displayed here in the float format. So this is the final output of this program. So viewers, hope you all have got good idea about the unions and similarities with structures now. But there are also some differences between them, which I want you all to answer them in the comment box, or you can watch them in Structures Part 2 video. Thank you for watching this video. If you have liked the video, please like, share and subscribe by hitting the bell icon. And if you are having any queries, please comment down in the comment box.